And here is the infrared. And what you see very clear is here in the left part of it, you see very easily that the phenols are depleted completely. And that here around the oxidation area and at 1710, something is happening. You see here that the red line has also a peak, yeah, but not a single area, a single wavelength. And the oxidation index shows here a level of 77. Normally, we have now much more experience. We say in turbine oils, oxidation index below 25 is okay. No? And if you are higher than 25, go in detail. Yeah? But if you are at 77, you are in a very severe situation here.